We live in an age drowning in knowledge. Facts, opinions, statistics, ideas. Scroll long enough and you'll find 1,000 voices telling you how to live, who to be, what to chase. Knowledge is everywhere. But here's the difference no one talks about. Knowledge alone doesn't set you free. Only knowledge of the truth does. Not all knowledge is equal. You can know 1,000 facts about health and still be sick. You can know the history of war and still live bound by fear. You can know the theories of happiness and still be empty inside. Knowledge fills your head, but only truth fills your soul. The Bible says it like this: "You shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free." John 8:32. Not just know facts, not just collect opinions, know the truth. Because truth is a person, truth is a kingdom, truth is a rock that doesn't move when the storms come. Knowledge without truth leads to pride. It puffs up. It makes you think you're wise even while you're walking in circles. Always learning, but never able to come to the knowledge of the truth. 2 Timothy 3:7. You can chase knowledge your whole life and miss the one thing your soul really needed: truth himself. Knowledge of the truth changes. It humbles you. It grounds you. It sets you free from fear, lies, and darkness. Truth reveals who God is and who you are because of him. It doesn't just inform you, it transforms you. It doesn't just answer questions, it anchors your life. So how do you know if you're growing in knowledge or truth? Are you getting smarter or freer? Are you collecting facts or walking in deeper faith? Are you winning arguments or becoming more like Christ? Because true knowledge leads to humility, and true truth always leads to freedom. Information piles up. Truth sets free. You don't need another random fact. You don't need another empty opinion. You need the knowledge of the one who is the way, the truth, and the life. And his name is Jesus. So don't just chase knowledge, chase truth. Because truth doesn't just answer your questions. Truth redefines your destiny. And the more you know him, the more you walk in the freedom you were always meant to carry. Knowledge can fill your mind, but knowledge of the truth will set your soul on fire. If this blessed you, like and subscribe for more kingdom truth. God bless you.